morning. Today we're going to be installing, hi James.
Good morning. Today we're going to be installing the Vector Off-Road e-dock.
If you own a Jeep, or if you have owned a Jeep or used a Jeep for any significant period of time, you know that storage capacity is limited and can be somewhat frustrating. So not a lot of storage space, not a lot of places to attach things. So we're going to fix that today with the e-dock. Here we go. We'll start by removing the two small caps on either side, the driver's side and the passenger side. Then remove the center dash cap and the compass module. Just be careful with the compass module while you're removing it. Make sure you don't break it. Vector Off-Road has instructions that you can download from their site. At this point, this is where the instructions diverge. So figure out which screws are in the top of your dash and follow the appropriate instructions from there. Since my Jeep just has one screw in the top underneath that middle dash cap, I have to remove the entire center dash trim and the radio to get to where I need to. Attach the hoop support legs now in the middle dash area. Be very careful at this step that you don't lose a nut or a screw down into the middle of the dash. It'll be very difficult to find if you drop it, so just be careful. This is probably the most difficult part of the installation. You have to reach down into this really tight space where you can't really see and remove a nut off of a long screw, and then use your magnetic device to keep it from falling into the dash. And then once you've done that, you gotta install the hoop supports on that screw. So just be very careful here as well. Otherwise you'll have to make a trip to the hardware store to get a new nut. So it decided to rain on me during the end of that install. But now I have the 67 Designs phone mounts that I also ordered along with the Vector e-dock. So I'm gonna go ahead and install both of those now. Look like pretty sweet pieces of equipment. There it is. Nice. That's pretty sweet. So now I'll install the other one on the other side for the passenger. And that is the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. It helps the channel out. If you want to comment, please comment. If you have questions, please write that in the comments. Pretty sweet piece of equipment. Awesome. Thanks for watching.